In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark theme in OneDrive app. If you prefer a softer look that's easier on the eyes, especially at night, the dark theme is a great choice. It also helps reduce glare and can save a bit of battery life on devices with OLED screens. Let's walk through it together so you can switch your OneDrive interface in just a few taps. Start by opening the OneDrive app on your device. Give it a second to load your files and folders. On the main screen, look toward the upper left corner for your profile icon. This is usually your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar. If your layout looks a little different, that's okay. Some versions place it in a corner of the screen, but it's typically easy to spot. Tap your profile icon to open your account menu. From here, look for Settings. It's commonly represented by a small gear icon and opens a page with options that control how the app behaves and looks. Inside Settings, find the option labeled Theme. This is where you choose how the app is displayed. Tapping Theme will show you the available appearance choices. Depending on your version, you may see options like light, dark, and sometimes a system option that follows your device's appearance. Before we change the look, you'll also notice App Lock in the settings list. Go ahead and tap App Lock to quickly review it. This feature lets you require your device's PIN, fingerprint, or face recognition to unlock OneDrive, adding an extra layer of privacy for your files. Once you've seen how it works, simply return to the settings screen where theme is listed so we can finish updating the appearance. Now tap Theme again and choose Dark. The app will instantly switch to a darker background with lighter text, making content easier to read in low light. Take a quick look through your folders and menus to make sure everything feels comfortable. If the change doesn't appear right away, closing and reopening the app usually does the trick. You can always come back to settings and theme to switch back to light later, depending on your environment. And if your device supports it, consider matching OneDrive's theme to your system appearance so it changes automatically with your phone's schedule. That's all it takes. You've opened OneDrive, accessed your profile, entered settings, visited App Lock for added security awareness, and then enabled the dark theme. Enjoy a more comfortable viewing experience and a cleaner look across your files. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to share it with someone who could use a calmer, darker workspace in OneDrive.